Hello dears, we are studying strength of material and our today's topic is rigid plastic or perfectly plastic material. What is rigid plastic or perfectly plastic material? The material which gives rigid behavior and plastic behavior, both type of behavior, is called rigid plastic material. First, material give rigid behavior at a certain point. After that, it gives plastic behavior. That type of material is called rigid plastic material. The material which gives rigid behavior at a certain point. After that, it gives plastic behavior. Now, the material give first rigid behavior. So, rigid behavior, what is rigid behavior? It means there is no deformation, or we can say there is no elongation. So there is no deformation in the material after applying load or force. When apply load or force in the material, then there is no deformation in the material, and this behavior of material is called rigid behavior. There is no deformation in the material after applying external force or load. Next, it gives a plastic behavior after a certain point. So plastic behavior, it means deformation takes place in the material when applying load or force. Plastic behavior, that is deformation takes place in the material after applying load. This behavior is called plastic behavior. Now we will see the stress strain diagram for rigid plastic material. So this one is a stress and a strain. Now its a stress strain diagram, it will be like this. This is the curve for rigid behavior. It gives rigid behavior. So this curve show the rigid behavior of the material. Rigid material. This line for rigid material. Now after a certain point, it gives plastic behavior. So here this is the line for plastic material, or we can say ideal plastic material. Ideal plastic material. Ideal plastic material. And this point till the point which gives rigid behavior, so this point is called yield stress. In the rigid material, a stress is increasing, and after a certain point, that is point A, the strain is increasing, we can say deformation is increasing. So this is the graph for ideal plastic or perfectly rigid plastic or perfectly plastic material. And this topic is over. Thanks for watching.